How to make a tomato rose garnish. You want to just feel it and use a halfway decent sharpened knife and just spiral and go under like maybe 2 millimeters to 4 millimeters. And continue to go around the whole tomato. And this is an oblong tomato. All right, that's good for one. Might actually be able to get two. Then you want to take it and you want to roll it. Roll it and keep it tight. Just continue to roll. And there you have your tomato rose. And then you need to take it over to your plate with a little bit of lettuce. Place it like that. And that will make any plate taste good.